Bengi ya Barclays ikwite na KCB o kugweta ndare no imwe tu cia bengi iria itunganite na maroro ma uici wa mbeca na njira ina kiriga ndeto ino ari kumana na gutherema gwa ciiko cia uici wa mbeca kugerera teknoloji ya kiriu kana cybercrime.
There has been an increase in cyber attacks perpetuated by or with the help of insiders. That is a risk. In this regard, there is need to ensure that staff are properly vetted at entry.
Na kurumirira undu uyu riu bengi nene inyitanire na ngwataniro ya ene mabengi ya KBA ni igwatanire na kwarira mitaratara iria kunyihanyihia wongerereku wa ciiko ici.
In light of the recent ATM haste, I would like to assure the public that their money is safe. It's important for bank customers to note that the losses incurred will not in any way affect their deposits. This is because the money is insured.
Mweri muthiru bengi ya Barclays na yaforirwo muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 11 thutha wa macini inya ciayo cia ATM guthogwo na njira ina kiriga na ona ndeto eno etahorete nayo bengi ya Equity mwena wa Karatina ikiywo muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 1.6.
You may be aware that the central bank has undertaken some cyber security initiatives. Some of these include the ICT risk management guidelines to the banking sector that we issued in 2012, the guidance note on cybersecurity for commercial banks that we issued in 2017. We've done some on-site examinations of financial institutions' ICT systems. And we also have ongoing work, we hope to launch this soon, on the guidelines on cybersecurity for payments service providers.
Uhoro-ini ungi nayo kambuni ya Safaricom ni thondekete baida ya muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 63.4 thiini wa itena ria mbere ria mwaka uyu turi wa 2019 uyu ari wongerereku wa baida eno na gicunjĩ kia 14.7 harĩ igana ukiringithanio na muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 45.1 cia ihinda ta rĩrĩ mwaka muthiru. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni eno gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Bob Collymore akoiga wongerereku uyu ni kumana na kuongerereka kwa umithio ũrĩa umanaga na motungata ma gũtũmana kwamũkĩra mbeca ma mbeca na gicunjĩ kia 19.2 harĩ igana.
So I think the key thing for us as a company is to always seek to ensure that we are feeling the heartbeat of the customers, we are feeling the pulse of the nation, and we are innovating and delivering solutions and services that address the needs that our customers have at such a point.
Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wojoria.